Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Baking Sets is probably one of the most sought-after kitchen essentials for both novice and experienced bakers, promising a delightful journey into the art of baking with its comprehensive collection of tools and utensils. This video will delve into the world of baking sets, exploring the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you choose the perfect set to elevate your baking experience and unlock your culinary creativity. Number 5. Amazon Basics Bakeware Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create delicious baked goods. It's perfect for everyday baking and special occasions. You get a loaf pan, 2 cake pans, a muffin tin, a roasting pan, and a baking sheet. That's all the bakeware you'll ever need. The non-stick coating makes releasing your creations a breeze. Cleanup is quick and easy, too. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures even heat distribution for perfectly baked results every time. It's oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, so you can bake with confidence. It's built to last. For best results, simply hand wash it. It's easy to maintain and keep looking its best. This bakeware is made without PFAS, ensuring a safe and healthy baking experience for you and your family. This set is part of the Amazon Basics line, offering quality and value you can trust. What we like? It's oven-safe up to 428 degrees Fahrenheit, features a non-stick coating for easy food release, and is very easy to clean. If you need a reliable, basic set for everyday baking and you prioritize easy cleanup, this is a great option for you. It's perfect for those who value functionality and affordability without sacrificing quality. What people say? Easy to use and non-stick. Cleans easily. Lightweight and durable. The non-stick coating works effectively, making it easy to release baked goods without sticking, and cleanup is a breeze. The carbon steel construction heats evenly, which is essential for consistent baking results. The variety of pieces included covers most basic needs, from cake pans to baking sheets. Size and description accurate. Easy to clean and store. Non-stick as described and easy to handle. Number 4. Rachael Cucina Bakeware Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for all your baking adventures. It's designed for everyday use and built to last. With 2 cookie sheets, cake pans, loaf pans, and more, it's perfect for cookies, cakes, and so much more. You'll be ready for any baking challenge. It features heavy-gauge steel construction with rolled rims for easy handling and long-lasting use. This set is built to withstand daily use in your kitchen. The non-stick coating makes food release a breeze and cleanup quick and easy. Enjoy effortless baking and cleaning. The silicone grips on the handles provide a comfortable and secure hold, even when using oven mitts. Bake with confidence and ease. Oven-safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it's versatile enough for all your baking needs. From cakes and cookies to roasting, it handles it all. The included cake pan with a lid is perfect for transporting treats, while the cookie sheets are great for sheet pan dinners. It's truly versatile. What we like? This set is built to last with heavy-gauge steel and has silicone grips for a comfortable hold, even when it's hot. It also comes with a variety of pan shapes, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a durable, versatile set that can handle all your baking needs, and you appreciate comfortable handling, then this is the one for you. It's great for those who bake frequently and need a set that can withstand regular use. What people say? Best non-stick. I made cakes, cupcakes, brownies, chops, nothing sticks, slides right out. Heavy duty and beautiful. Every piece you will ever need is included in this set. Great pans, sturdy, non-stick, they cook evenly and no warping. The metal is very thick, much more sturdy than any other pan's cookie sheets I have ever owned. The handles are a perfect size to pick up with my gloved hand. I have also noticed the red silicone parts are thick enough that it helps keep the pans from scratching each other when they are stored. Number 3. Farberware Nonstick Bakeware Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need to create delicious baked goods. It's perfect for both everyday baking and special occasions. Made from sturdy steel, it resists warping and damage, ensuring years of reliable use. You can trust it to withstand the heat. The superior non-stick coating makes baking and cleanup a breeze. Enjoy effortless food release every time. This 10-piece set includes various pans for all your baking needs, from cookies and cakes to loaves and muffins. Everything is included for your convenience. A chrome-plated cooling rack is included, allowing your baked goods to cool evenly and prevent sticking. It's a thoughtful addition to the set. It's safe for use in ovens up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, suitable for a wide range of baking and roasting recipes. Get creative in the kitchen. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy years of baking with confidence. What we like. Made of solid steel, it resists warping, has a premium non-stick coating for effortless food release, and includes a handy cooling rack. If you value durability and want a set that will last for years, and you need a cooling rack, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a long-lasting investment in their baking equipment. What people say. These work great and I haven't had a problem with scratching or food sticking, quite sturdy, fits together well for stacking. The nonstick works well and is easy to clean. The pan assortment is really good. I am really impressed with these. They heat evenly and absolutely nothing sticks to them. I've baked some incredibly sticky things on them and everything just rinses right off. The kit comes with pretty much everything you will ever need. Number 2. 15-piece Nonstick Bakeware Set. This comprehensive set has everything you need for all your baking adventures. It's made of durable, non-stick carbon steel for easy cleanup and perfect results. Say goodbye to parchment paper. Its superior non-stick surface ensures your baked goods slide right out, every time. This set includes a variety of pans in different sizes, from cookie sheets to muffin tins and even a pizza pan. You'll be ready for any recipe. It's made from BPA-free, PTFE, PFOA, PFOS-free materials, ensuring safe and healthy baking. The silicone handles provide a comfortable and secure grip. This set is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup and the pans are stackable for convenient storage. It's oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. This bakeware set makes a wonderful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or any occasion. It's sure to be appreciated by any home baker. What we like. This set boasts 15 pieces, including various pan sizes and silicone handles for safe handling. It's a complete baking solution in one purchase. If you're looking for a comprehensive set with all the tools you need, and you appreciate a variety of baking options, this is the set for you. It's ideal for those who love to bake a wide range of goods and want everything in one convenient package. What people say. The non-stick coating seems fairly durable and I don't normally consider non-stick coating durable at all. The red silicone handles are able to withstand high temperatures, probably higher than your stove will go. I purchased these to use when I only needed to put a couple of things in the oven and did not want to use a full baking sheet. I can use each for multiple items in the oven and they fit side by side with no problem. These baking sheets are quite lightweight with a small ridge around the outside. The silicone handles come separately so you can choose to add them or not. If you decide to add them, they easily click onto the handles. I also find that they are just the right size for a dozen cookies. Number 1. Caraway Bakeware Set. It's finally here. Our beautiful and sustainably made bakeware is now available on Amazon. Get ready to elevate your baking and kitchen style. It features a slick, non-stick surface. Enjoy effortless baking and cleanup, less prep and minimal scrubbing for a spotless finish. It's made without PTFE, PFOA, PFAS, lead, or cadmium. Bake with confidence knowing it's safe for you, your family, and the planet. It's oven safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Simply hand wash and store it in the included organizers to keep it looking its best. This 11-piece set includes baking sheets, various sized pans, a cooling rack, and convenient storage organizers. Everything you need to bake your favorite treats. What we like. It's made with a non-toxic ceramic coating, is naturally non-stick for easy cleaning, and has a beautiful, stylish design. If you prioritize health and a sleek look in your kitchen, and you want an easy-to-clean set, this is the perfect choice. It's great for health-conscious bakers who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. What people say. These pans are first class. Beautiful color and are awesome for cooking. I haven't used any of these yet, but they are very nice and sturdy. The shipping box was very strong and protective. They definitely made sure the product will arrive damage-free. Great product. Nothing seems to stick to it, the ceramic. Very pleased so far. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.